I wanted to ask, like, what are the most in-demand AI and ML skills in the job market right now?
You should know a programming language, okay, like a Python. You just have a Python as your base language, which is easy. You should know the cloud, like either Azure or you should know either Amazon. Third one is data literacy. Like you should know what are the types of data you have, like what is structured, unstructured, and in order to use the data, you should know what is Power BI or Tableau. If I'm a pro in the tool, I can enter into the IT field. No, nothing like that. No one can do that. You have to understand the basic. You should know what is that very strong, and then once you enter, you will learn through experience. So do the internship. Like you will come to know the hands-on experience of what is the tools are all about, and then it's good to know SQL, and yes, small understanding of what is machine learning, how the algorithm works. And nowadays you all are in AI world, right? So you have all the things to refer, like you have ChatGPT, you have Copilot, you have Gemini. You can just refer and do.
Since we're talking about various skill sets and courses that we can do, so like many of my friends use this technique that they employed ChatGPT only to teach them all these languages and courses.
ChatGPT is, again, it's a AI, it's a ML model. It may make mistake. I recommend you better you can ask ChatGPT like how you wanted to learn. Go and ask ChatGPT, okay, I'm new to Power BI. I wanted to learn from beginning towards the intermediate level. Give me the course content, learning paths, like how I have to proceed. That is fine. But completely relying on ChatGPT may give you some complexity. If you want to understand any specific concept, for example, I want to understand what is DAX in Power BI. So you can just go and ask it, understand it. You can just cross-check. It is good to get the certificate from the proper organization. For example, if it is a Power BI, you have to do it from Microsoft.
These days, we see that AI integration has been increasing in processing the data, whether it be data cleaning, data processing, data interpretation. Right. So many students are also intrigued, especially the IT students, are very much intrigued to develop their own tools and integrate them into already existing software. So like how much helpful are these particular tools? And if these are helpful, how one can actually develop them? Like
check for IRCTC. Even there you have an AI where it will tell you some information about the train. So, but if you go and ask this this thing, like what is data mining? Okay. So will it respond? No. Okay, so it may just try to find something near, but it will tell you, no, it is not the information from my, because this is a knowledge-based network. This is a knowledge-based AI. Whereas ChatGPT is a generic AI. You can ask anything. If you are going to design an AI specific for a website, then you have to collect the data about the website. And because that is a knowledge base. And then you have to clean and prepare the data in order to use it. And then you have to decide like whether you are going to give a prediction model or classification model or recommendation system or a chatbot.
So thank you, ma'am, for giving us your valuable time for this. Ma'am's LinkedIn account has been dropped in the chat box. So if anyone has further questions, you may connect with her on LinkedIn. And for further training sessions, you can also connect with her over YouTube. So that would be it for the session. Thank you, ma'am.